guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have here with me this wonderful scarf. This is by Love Lakeside. It's a scarf in purple, which I think is a really nice color. I've been able to use this with different kinds of clothes in my closet, and I love the fact that I can also use it in so many practical ways. Of course, if I want to go outside and it's chilly, it's just so easy for me to just wrap it around my neck, and it keeps me so nice and warm. It does have a really nice soft feeling to it, and it's so cozy. And even though it is a good size, I want to show you here. This is a really nice width and length. It's so good. But it doesn't feel too heavy, actually. It feels really lightweight, so I can take it with me everywhere. I can put it in my purse. It becomes so nice and practical to take with you anywhere you go. So I would definitely recommend this beautiful scarf if you are looking for yourself or to gift. I have loved using it, and that's my point of view.